boy Anomaly France. Today's video is quite weird. I'm only going to be opening one case, and it is probably the luckiest case I have ever opened. Basically, on my account, only one case was opened and one knife was unboxed, and it's a very good knife. It's a butterfly lore. But before I show you that case, I want to give some backstory as to why this singular case that I opened is so incredibly lucky. But before that, I'd like to thank today's video sponsor, which is Skinport. Now, if you don't know, Skinport's a CSGO marketplace where you can buy and sell CSGO skins safely for real money. And on Skinport, there's no fee for buying skins. So say you wanted to buy these Omega gloves field tested, it would run you 660 euro. Meanwhile, on Steam, they're listed for almost 900 euro, which is a huge difference. They have over 1 million CSGO skins listed. That's really crazy. And if you sell skins, your payouts are also sent in your local currency, with many countries supported. So if you want to try out Skinport to buy and sell skins, then please do so from the link in the description, and thank you once again for sponsoring this video. So, why this singular case that I opened was so insanely lucky is because Linda had some family members over. She's my half-sister, so she has other family. And she was basically just explaining to them what cases were and what skins were, because they weren't really aware. She basically just said them that skins are just colors on weapons you get in-game, and you get them from cases. And her family was wondering, what are cases? How do they work? So she had the brilliant idea, let's open one case just to show them what it's like. And I was like, yeah, sure, whatever. So we walk over to Linda's computer to open one case, but because of the recent CS2 updates, she couldn't start CS. So we had to go downstairs to my computer, and I said, yeah, whatever, I can open one case on my account. She asked what case, and I said Dreams and Nightmares, because that's one of my favorite cases. And I told everyone, this is going to be very boring. We're just gonna get a blue. To even get something that's remotely fun, you probably have to open like 300-400 cases. So I was preparing her family for a big letdown, and then the one singular Dreams and Nightmares case was being opened. I thought I might as well record it on my phone, because I've literally recorded every single case I've ever opened, and this is what happened. På handskar. Man kan ha tur. Oh my god! Va? Oh my god! Den där är 30 000! Den är fucking den är well worn. Den är 20-30 000. Va? Jag sa ju att man skulle filma! Va? Alltså, va? Nej! Alltså, va? Vänta, va? Den kostar... det laddar. Oh my fucking... Den kostar 1641 euro. Så typ 20 000 kronor. Nice! Va? Alltså jag skakar. Alltså va? Nej.
Men gud vad roligt. Det händer inte varje dag alltså.
Nej. Det har hänt en gång, och det var Linda som gjorde det.
Va?
Det går i släkten.
Men gud. Nej, men du ser, vi ska mig lite oftare.
Mamma, du får köpa lite lådor till mig. Jag har ju på.
So yes, we actually ended up getting this butterfly knife lore well worn, which is insanely lucky, from one singular case. It's literally listed on Steam for 1,800 euro, which is insane. So this is by far the luckiest one case that I've ever opened, and the second time that I've ever seen a gold be opened from only one case. I've seen it twice, this time and once before when Linda opened one case and got a pair of Omega gloves minimal wear. However, this one obviously is worth way more now. Sadly, both of those times that I've seen it in real life, I haven't opened it. Linda's gloves, she opened herself, and this knife, Linda's younger brother actually opened, so this is very, very sad. But still, nonetheless, very cool that it was caught on video, because if I heard this story myself, I probably wouldn't believe it, that someone was just going to show, hey, this is how cases work, I'm gonna show, you know, my family how it works, and then they open a knife? I wouldn't believe it. Also, you can see I have the ultra rare poop emoji pattern here on the play side. God damn, you see the poop emoji? That's a lot overpay, guys, actually. But yeah, I had to make a video about this one case wonder, which is by far the craziest case that I've ever opened. Even more so because it was supposed to be a blue. We were just gonna show how cases works, and I'm pretty sure now Linda's younger brother is kind of hooked to case opening, because the last thing he said before he went home was that he was gonna start opening cases because his luck was insane. Which I don't think that's a very good sign. Whoopee!